So all I put on this hair was some water. That's all I put on this hair is water. And look at it. Just take a brief look at it. Like, is y'all sleeping on this or what? Because y'all, if y'all are, y'all need to wake the fuck up. What's happening? It's Kira. Welcome back to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then pause this video and go subscribe to my channel. It's not hard. Y'all making stuff hard and difficult when y'all can just pause this video and subscribe. Am I right? Alright, so pause this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a like, leave a comment. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at OK.Shakira, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment, share this video, and give it a thumbs up. That's all you have to do. Give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to keep coming with these videos because y'all want these videos, right? If y'all want these videos, y'all got to keep supporting. And so, support. If you're going to watch it, support it. Just hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and you can just like it. That's all you have to do. Real simple. It's been a minute since I posted a hair video. So today in this video, I'm going to be doing a review on this hair. Also, I'm going to be installing it. So y'all gonna see me review it, plus install it, plug in, doing all that good stuff to this wig. So here's this wig that I ordered online. I got it from AliExpress. I was just scrolling. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna just try some AliExpress hair. I never tried no AliExpress hair, so this is my first time buying AliExpress hair. So yeah, first, here's this bag. It comes in this white bag, and I ordered this hair off of AliExpress. The company was called WeWave. Very cute. You can store your wig in after you take the wig off or before you put it on. So this hair is a 26-inch DEEPWAVE, 150 density. And we're gonna just open it and see how this wig comes. Well, how this packaging comes. So this is like how it actually comes. And by the way how I'm just looking at it, I can already tell this do not look like 26-inch. It don't. Yeah, this wig is real cute, but it does not look 26 inches like it's supposed to. So here's the wig. It came just in this net, and then here's the wig. It feels very, you know, soft, like, yes, but as the inches, it does not look 26 inches. Well, if you pull it, it's gonna probably look long, but it still don't look long how it's supposed to, in my opinion. I feel like 26 inches is supposed to be longer than this because it does not look 26 inches. But other than that, y'all get into this hair. This hair looks so cute. Like, I can't wait to install this and put this wig on, cause like, look at it. And here's the inside. It is a lace frontal wig, and it has the combs in the inside. Some people like to cut their combs out, but I leave my combs in even though I'm still not gonna use it. But yes, get into it. Get into it. Get into it. Very cute, very affordable. I paid $150. No, scratch it out. I paid $180 for this wig. $180 for this hair. And yeah. And so that is the wig. We're gonna see what else came inside this packaging. And what else that came in this bag was just some wig caps. And it's 2 of them. So I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna use this type of wig cap, but I'm gonna put it in my collection that I have already. So, and that is it that comes in this packaging, which is a wig and 2 wig caps. So this is a DEEPWAVE lace frontal wig, 26-inch, that I ordered. And here's the front. it do look like it has been plucked already, but we gonna pluck it some more and make it look, you know, more natural. So yeah, now that you see how the wig comes outside the bag, we's finna get ready and do the process of installing this wig. So keep watching this video, and this next part of this video is gonna be me installing this hair. Is really soft, really affordable, and I just cannot wait to use this hair. Like, yes, this is cute, very affordable, and yeah. So that's that DEEPWAVE, you know, DEEPWAVE. Very soft, y'all. This hair is really soft and it's full. But the only thing I just don't like about it, it don't look 26 inches. This look like a 20 inch. Like, come on now, y'all wrong for that. Maybe a 22 inch, but this damn show don't look like no damn 26 inch. How it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be a 26 inch. But anyway, we finna get ready and plug this hair. I'm aiming for a middle part, so we're gonna do a middle part today, y'all. Too much hair, but I'm gonna just go ahead and just flip this wig over on this mannequin, and after I flip this hair over and place it on this mannequin, I'm about to take my powder and a brush, a makeup brush, any type of makeup brush, and I'm about to just put some makeup on this lace. That way it'll help your hair, it'll help your lace blend. And usually I'll bleach the knots, but I don't have no developer, so I'm not bleaching no hair right now. We just gonna use this makeup and call it a day. And so I'm just trying not to. I'm gonna take my LA color powder, and I'm gonna take my brush, and we're gonna just put this over the front of my lace. I might gotta get a different brush. This brush really sucks. Put it all over the lace. It seems like I need to go darker, so I'm gonna get a different kind. This a little bit dark. Gonna take my Got To Be Glue spray, Gorilla Spray. Take some Got To Be Glue, okay? Got To Be Glue. That girl tripped out, put some goddamn Gorilla Spray on her head. And it's time for us to install this wig on my head. So I got my ice cream with me, so don't mind me, y'all. I love to eat something when I'm doing something. Like, it gotta be something I'm eating to make me do something better. I'm just playing, but I'm always eating something, so. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and plug this blow dryer up because I know I'm gonna need this because I'm in a rush trying to hurry up and finish this video and finish this install. Let me put some Carmex on my lips because my lips is so crusty right now. So now, y'all, I'm gonna install this hair. So I'm gonna take this off. And y'all, look, my hair is already braided down. I already braided it down, so yeah, and I already pushed back my edges or whatever. So the first thing I'm gonna do is start off by taking some alcohol, rubbing alcohol. This is 70%. Yeah, 70% rubbing alcohol. And I'm just gonna take this alcohol and rub it against my edges. Make sure they all clean. I still got some hair sticking out, like my edges. A little bit of my edges still sticking out, so we finna just push that back some more. Now I'm gonna pull down my cap. And I'm also go ahead and cut some holes in my ears to let my ears out. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Take my Got To Be Glue spray and we're gonna spray it across my hairline. And I'm going to blow dry my hair. Okay, so now that is dry, y'all, I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm gonna cut this cap off. I'm gonna pull it back some more because it looks like it's so much up here. So now I'm going to take this Got To Be glue gel, and I'm just gonna take just a little bit of this and put it around my cap. I'm gonna take this towel and rub off this extra glue and the spray that I have on my forehead. And then now I'm gonna dry it.
So now I'm going to take this Got To Be glue spray and also spray it on my hairline. I forgot to do that. I was supposed to actually do that before I blow dried it. But it's okay, we're just going to blow dry it again. Before I blow dry it. Because I want some more.
Now I'm gonna just cut off this little extra piece back here. So now I'm gonna take some more powder. I'm gonna take some more powder and I'm gonna put it across my hairline. This time I'm gonna take my Fit Me and just put that across my hairline. I'm also rub some back here. I really don't know if I want to do a side part or a middle part or no part. So I really don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I just know I'll style it when I put the wig on my head. And y'all know by the end of this video. But anyway, this is just how my cap could look for this video. Okay, now we're gonna take this wig. Now I'm gonna take my lace bun glue and I'm gonna put it across my head, and we're gonna let it dry, and we're gonna put this wig on. bandana over. And now we're gonna cut this lace off. now we're gonna take this bandana off. And we're gonna lay these baby hairs real fast. This is how it's looking so far. I'm gonna go with a middle part. So we're gonna part this hair and we're gonna do the edges. I'm going to take some rubbing alcohol to clean up the extra glue around my lace. Now I'm gonna take this concealer and put it down my part. What? I don't see it. I don't really see it like that. I have completed this installment. Like, get into it. Get into it. Like, don't play. Cause I'm only gonna get better. Like, don't play. So anyway, this is how the hair looks when it's dry. Y'all, it's so soft and pretty. Make sure you guys go shop at WeWave. This is how the hair looks when it's dry. And I'm gonna show y'all how the hair looks when it's wet. But yes, this is a 26-inch from WeWave. Make sure you guys go shop. I'm gonna leave my code down below, so when you shop, make sure you press my link so we both can get money off next time. So I'm gonna show y'all how this hair looks when it's wet. So I got my spray bottle and we finna wet this hair up. So all I put on this hair was some water. That's all I put on this hair is water. And look at it. Just take a brief look at it. Like, is y'all sleeping on this or what? Because y'all, if y'all are, y'all need to wake the fuck up. And so this is how the hair looks when it's wet. I'm gonna show y'all the back. So yeah, this is the hair, and that's basically about it for this video. Make sure you guys leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, get this video to 20 likes, and I'm gonna keep coming with these videos for you guys. So yeah, this is the bag. Make sure you guys go shop. Follow me on Instagram at ok.shakira. Don't forget to subscribe. Like, don't forget to do that. If you new to my channel, please subscribe. That's all. That's it. But I'm out.